Si Christian na lamang yata ang natira.
Oo nga. At I have no doubt na medyo talagang mataas yan in yung mga coming up mga draft natin, PBA draft. Coach, kilala naman natin to sila Slaughter. Of course, si Chris Chu, sila Ravenna. There are a couple of...
Matagal-tagal pa yun.
Oo. Pero there are a couple of players dito, Coach, na hindi pa natin masyadong kilala pero mga magagaling. Ito mga Cliff Hodge na, Coach.
Magaling
diba,
talaga
Coach?
yan. Magaling talaga. At dun sa nakaraan nating laro laban sa Thailand, they were the aerial voyagers, no? Alaver Helmeneses, Chris Ellis, Clifford Hodge, talagang nagpahirap sa depensa ng Thailand at tangkarin nila na ulitin yung kanilang firepower na binuhos coming off the bench.
Monfort po ang nagpakawala po kaagad dun.
Yan si Eman Monfort, perfect from the 3-point area laban sa Thailand. Only averaging a little over 3 points but continues to start the game for Coach Norman Black dahil very steady, mahusay magtimon at steady ang kanyang 3-point shooting.
Yes, Coach. At alam naman natin na when it comes to mga international meets, yung mga egos, itatapon mo muna lahat yan. Kaya mga point averages ng mga to, magdidip talaga yan dahil talagang everybody's parang looking for the best shot pagka ganyan, di ba, Coach?
Tumpak yan. Ang Pilipinas ay nag-average ng halos 23 assists a game. At meron tayong 6 na manlalaro in twin digits. Ganyan ang estilo ni Coach Norman Black. Babalansehin niya. Everybody gets to play for as long as everybody plays within the system.
Of course, ayan po ang isang atake po ng isang Malaysian player. As we see Kiefer Ravenna, inaanak ko yan, Coach.
Kasi kasama mo si Bong Ravenna dun sa national squad. Anong year kayo naglaro sa Southeast Asian Games?
Ngayon,
Ginto rin yun, di ba?
1991. Yes, sir. Dito po yan ginanap.
Oo. Alam niyo po, ang Pilipinas ay nakapag-host sa Southeast Asian Games ng 3 beses. Sa kasaysayan ng Southeast Asian Games. Ang huli po dyan ay yung taong 2005 na kung saan tayong naging overall champion.
Yan, oo.
Pero ngayon, hindi po ganun karaming ating gintong medalya. Pero ang gintong medalya sa basketball ay nakakapagpataas ng pride ng mga Pilipino.
Tama.
Sayang nga lang, hindi tayo nagantimpalaan nung panalo kanina sa laro ng Discovery Perlas Pilipinas team ng women's.
Sayang. Pero nevertheless, they played very well. Nothing to be ashamed of, di ba, Coach Ronnie? Ang
Totoo
Perlas
naman.
Pilipinas.
Almost but not quite. Itong si Ray Parks leading the team in scoring kasama si Kiefer Ravenna over 13 points a game. One of 6 players in twin digits. Itong si Bobby Ray Parks.
Ayan po. Ang tatay niya, former teammate namin ni Coach Ronnie.
Alam mo kasamang Jolly, ang Pilipinas over 112 points per game ang ating opensa. Ang depensa natin talaga namang very stingy, only giving up 63 points a game. We are the best shooting team. We are the best defending team here in the Southeast Asian Games.
Slaughter po sa ilalim ang favorite spot on the court. Pinalasa po ang isang Malaysian player.
12 points a game for Greg Slaughter, and in the last 2 games, he has really shown his dominance. Makita mo rito yung potential na tinatawag nila dati. Ngayon, realization na para dito kay Greg Slaughter.
Ayan po, talaan natin. 9-2. We have a 7-point lead. Sinupalpal ni Greg Slaughter. This is Kiefer by his lonesome.
Defense creating offense, and once again, si Slaughter making things happen. At ito ang Pilipinas, which averages close to 34 points in the first quarter, umuusok at sumasagitsit dito laban sa Malaysia.
Yan ang ine-expect talaga natin dito, and we have a timeout. And we are going to break. SEA Games on active. Magbabalik po. May maganda-ganda lamang na po, pero no reason po to relax. Si Jolly Escobar po ito kasama si Coach Ronnie Magsanok.
Nakita mo naman dito, walang posibleng makamatch up o makatapat kay Greg Slaughter pagdating sa loob. And itong Sinag team has played very smart in the first few minutes. Dahilan kung bakit abante na tayo ng 9 na puntos, masipag na depensa at very unselfish offense ang ating nakikita dito sa ating mga manlalaro.
3-pointer ng Malaysia. Wala po yan. Tatakbo po ang Sinag Pilipinas. Wala po ang layup. That was Nico Salva. Kanyang pabandang tira. Hindi po papasok yan. Pero bola mananatili po sa Sinag Pilipinas.
Paano mo pipigilin ang kupunan ng Pilipinas? 59% from the 2, 40% from the 3. And this squad averages nearly 59 points sa ating inside scoring.
Wow! Ang taas. Monfort po to Nico Salva. Back to Eman Monfort. And back to Nico Salva. Wala po ang kanyang tira over the backboard. Bola mapupunta po sa Malaysia. 11-2 ang ating count. 7 minutes sa first quarter. Jump shot. Nakuha po ang offensive board. Sabit si Ray Ray Park.
Pasok dito sa larong to, nung tinitignan ko yung mga numero kasamang Jolly, isa sa mga kailangan nating bantayan dito sa koponan ng Malaysia ay yung kanilang 3-point shooting. Nung nanalo sila sa Myanmar, 172, they shot 54 times from the 3-point area, 12 of 54. So talagang makikita mo, hindi sila post-playing squad, kung hindi, they rely a lot on outside shooting. And itong si Guganas Waran Batumlay just hitting his first jumper.
Good luck.
Ayan ang mga players to watch. Si Big Inglao, Chuan Chinwi at Bansin Oy para dito sa Malaysia. Mga 3-point shooters yan.
Chuan Chinwi, 20 points nung nakaraang game, Coach Ronnie. As we see Greg Slaughter, ito po si atake niya si Slaughter, tumira ng kanyang perimeter shot, wala po siya. Ray Parks, nakuha ni Slaughter. 3 seconds po yata ang maitatawag dyan, or the shot clock has expired. That's Oy on your screens. Turnover po yan dahil hindi po nakatira ang Sinag Pilipinas men's team.
Ayan si Bansin Oy wearing jersey number 7. Lee Wei Chi fighting for that possession para dito sa Malaysia.
Bansin Oy, nakatala ng 16 points nung nakarang laro. 11-5 po. 11-5 rather ang ating score dito. 6-point lead, 6 minutes and 9 remaining sa ating first quarter. That's keeper Raven on your screens.
Yung pinakakalaban mo talaga dito pagkaharap mo itong mga koponan na to, yung sarili mo. Hindi ka pwedeng manggigil, hindi ka pwedeng mainip. Tsatsagayin mo lang talaga. Sundin mo lang yung game plan ni Coach Norman Black. And you will not go wrong. 11-5 para dito sa koponan ng Pilipinas.
Huwag na ding isipin na you have an advantage, just play your game, di ba, Coach Ronnie?
Yes, ang pinakamabigat dito kasi yung expectations. You can't afford to lose dahil nga alam naman ng lahat na tayong pinakamalakas na koponan heading into this competition. At ito, 5 sunod na puntos ang nagawa rito ng Malaysia. Ayan si Bansin Oy.
Kaliwa in between 2 defenders, si Ray Park, sumahabol pa doon. Pero ito, dikit lang itong Malaysia sa Team Pilipinas po. 4 lang po yan. 5 minutes and 26 sa ating first quarter. Ganda nung atake. Hindi na shoot yung layup pero may contact.
Kung titignan natin dito, our ball screen defense is fighting over. Making sure that yung mga flairers o yung mga malalarong nagsiset ng screen ay hindi makakakuha ng open look. Pero ang katanungan, we cannot stay in front of our defensive coverage kung kaya't itong si Bansin Oy na kaninang pumenetrate was fouled and will go to the line. 3 straight points para dito kay Bansin Oy. Naalala ko dati, Jolly, si Kim Yutek ang husay maglaro para sa Malaysia. A 30-plus point scorer yun si Kim Yutek. Problema yun ng depensa ng Pilipinas for a long time.
Sa'yo, nung when you played, nakalaban nyo pa yan?
Sa amin, inabot pa namin at naiwan pa rin yun.
Wow.
Para sa national team ng Malaysia. At dati, bago pumasok yung mga mid-90s, ang Malaysia talaga ang pinakamahigpit na kalaban ng Pilipinas dito sa Southeast Asian Games. Tapos for a while, it was Thailand. At sa ngayong panahon, Indonesia na. Indonesia na ngayon ang pinakamabigat.
Tumaas ang level by
Yes.
Ang laki ng tinaas ng level ng paglalaro ng Indonesia, Coach Ronnie.
Tama yan. Alam mo naman, they also import good coaches.
Yes.
They have a good training program para sa kanilang mga nationals to travel and compete abroad. Pati dun sa FIBA Men's Asia, nag-qualify sila at nakapaglaro sila against the best teams in the whole of Asia.
Ayan. At we know for a fact na most coaches sa kanilang day have a professional league there. Coaches come
Naglaro
from...
ka doon?
Coach.
Dito nilalaro yan, di ba?
Brit Ama, correcto.
Meron din silang ABL team.
Correcto. Sila Coach Bong Ramos, Coach Boyce Zamar.
Renzi Bahar.
Si Bong Ramos and Boyce Zamar as coaches. Si Renzi, as a player.
As an import.
As an import.
At itong si Bansin Oy continues to punish the defense of the Sinag national team. Layup a while ago and some key free throws. And suddenly, Malaysia has come alive. Kanina siyam ng kalamangan natin dyan. Ito, 9-0 last ng Malaysia in the last 3 minutes. Kanina, 7 minutes and 35 mark. 11-2 ang talaan.
Si Lanete po is in the ball game. That's Garbo, the younger brother of Chico. That's Ray Parks. Nice left-handed stroke from Bobby Ray.
Most recent UAAP MVP. Nice shooting, nice stroke there. At finally, a basket for Team Pilipinas. Which had about a 3-minute drought.
Oo nga, ang 11-2 yun kanina. Parang napaku tayo, Coach, di ba?
Sapagkat itong Malaysia, makita mo yung defensive game plan nila. Pressure in the backcourt, pagtawid, after the first pass, 2-3 zone defense na. Challenging the Philippine team to shoot shoot our threes, and taking away yung inside scoring dahil pinuntungan natin dun sa ating scoring average na mahigit 112 points a game. Halos 59 doon ay galing sa loob.
First free throw ni Lee Wei Chi, ang kanilang big man. Misses kanyang una, ang kanyang pangalawa, papasok po yan. At coach, dito na si Cliff Hodge, pumasok na. Ito ang gusto kong panoorin.
Naghahanap ng lift si Coach Norman galing sa second unit. At itong Malaysia, 5 of 6 dito sa first quarter sa kanilang free throws.
13-12 ang ating score. 1-point lead lamang ang Sinag Pilipinas. Meron po tayong violation. Sorry, we have a foul. First quarter pa lamang po ito. This is men's basketball. And there are how many teams in this men's basketball?
Meron 8 total teams, 3 games. Make that 2 groups, 4 kada group, and we were able to sweep yung ating group, which is Group A.
Yeah.
At itong Malaysia finished in the second spot. Doon naman sa Group B. Kaya ang top team sa Group A ay lalaban dito sa second best team ng Group B. At ang koponan naman ng Thailand na tinalo natin na second place team sa Group A ay lalaban sa top team ng Group B na Indonesia.
Nakakita po tayo ng steady na jump shot galing kay Jake Pascual from the left side. Big man po ng Malaysia, umatake. Lee Wei Chi, pero wala pong kanyang tira. They get it back though. Ikot po ang bola. Hindi po tumama sa ring ang tira nga
Hindi
naman
na reset.
malaki.
May scramble for the basketball, but apparently shot clock was not reset, and that's a youthful looking Shifai Lo para jersey number 11.
Bata nga.
Ang bata, oo. Eh, ganun din naman itong mga malalaro
Oo
natin.
nga.
Napakababata nito.
Si Kiefer, 17 lang yata to si Kiefer, or 18 at the most. 15-12 ang talaan. 3-point lead ng Sinag Pilipinas.
An offensive foul called against the Philippine squad. Kanina, pinunto natin kasamang Jolly. The Philippine team averages over 34 points in the first quarter. Pero dito, Malaysia's zone defense holding up. And let's see kung sino magiging zone busters natin dito para sa kupunan ng Sinag Pilipinas.
We took a quick peek kay Captain Ball Chris Chu, at ang atake po ng Malaysia, muntik po pumasok ang tira. Jake Pascual, matatawagan po ng foul dyan. Makikita nyo on your screen, si R.R. Garcia is in the ball game na rin po.
Maagang pag-shift ng combination ni Coach Norman Black. The starters were not able to get... Actually, meron naman Jackrabbit start eh. 11-2 yung talaan. But defensively, we were fouling too much. At itong si big boy Lee Wei Chi, Lee Chi Wei, kanina nagmintis na yan ng isang free throw.
Yan ang kanilang rebounder talaga, Coach Ronnie. He had 7 boards nung nakaraang laro. At nagpakita siya ng kanyang free throw shooting dito. He makes both.
I believe that Greg Slaughter is the tallest player dito sa Southeast Asian Games. At ganun kahalaga talaga na meron kang tangan na isang higante.
Yan.
Dahil eventually, yung rebounding, yung depensa nyo, yung anchor sa depensa, kailangan mo talaga ng malaki.
In the end, height is might pa rin.
Yun ang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon tayo ng isang naturalized player sa ating men's team dati. Kalilipas lamang na FIBA Men's Asia Tournament, si Marcus Dautin.
Yan, oo.
At we were almost there. Almost made it doon sa bandang dulo. Subalit eventually we finished in the 4th spot.
Ayan po, first quarter pa rin po ito. Malaysia po versus Philippines. Earlier po, a heartbreaking loss ng Perlas Pilipinas women's team. Pabanggitin po natin ulit, masakit. At nandun na po sana tayo na parang naparehas lang natin yung finish from before, no, Coach? No? Yung silver, no, sa women's basketball.
It's a nice looking step back jumper galing kay Gudines Waran Batumalay. Binalikan niya tayo pagkatapos ng isang basket itong si R.R. Garcia coming off our baseline out of bounds play.
Hindi ka natatangkos sa pangalan ng Coach, Gudines Waran. Ang galing mong sabihin nun. 17-16 ang lamang po ng Sinag Pilipinas. Tayo po yung referee din. Yung start natin, Coach Tony, is a little lackluster. No? Parang medyo relax.
Well,
no?
hindi natin makayod sa loob dahil hindi sila tumitigil sa kanilang 2-3 zone defense. At challenge sila tayo na pumukol from the outside. Kailangan may tumama sa labas bago bumuki ang loob. Yun ang game plan dito ng kupunan ng Malaysia. Hindi kami lalabas, hindi kami magbibigay ng inside points hanggat hindi kayo tumatama sa labas. But they continue to close out really well.
Yes.
Kaya't ang 3-point shooting natin dito ay manaka-naka pa lamang.
2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Marcelo is in the ball game as well para sa Sinag Pilipinas
Ayan na
men's
naman,
team.
kasama
Change ang
Jolly.
favor, Coach Ronnie.
Matumalay with 5 straight points. At binanggit natin kanina, they shot 54 times from the 3-point area against Myanmar, hitting 12. When was the last time we saw the Philippine team down at this stage of the game?
Oo. Getting a little bit too relaxed. Walang offensive foul ang tinawag. Pero lucky break. Napunta na rin sa atin ang bola. Hodge. Mabibitawan po ang bola. Batang-bata.
Batang-bata talaga itong
mga
si
players ng Malaysia.
Jan Nang. Yo Seng Jan Nang. Ang importante rito, mas tumibay ang depensa ng kupunan ng Pilipinas. We are seeing a lot of open jumpers mula dito sa Malaysia. Matumalay at yung penetration kanina ni Ban Sin Oy. Of course, itong si big man na si Lee Wei Chi.
19-17. Lamang na po ang Malaysia dito. 1 minute and 36 ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Traveling naman yan.
That's better defense for Team Pilipinas. Itong si Cliff Hodge nagpakita ng magandang pakikibaka doon sa ilalim. Makita mo, patigasan ng katawan.
Tinayuan na lamang niya. Ang ganda ng depensa. Napatraveling niya ang isang Malaysian player. Here comes Chris Chu and Sinag Pilipinas. Mula po sa kaliwa, wala po. Cliff Hodge. Nice offensive board. Wala po ang kanyang putback pero meron tayong foul. So 2 free throws for Hodge.
Napituan itong si Jan Nang. Patuloy naghahanap ang Team Pilipinas ng isang zone buster na tinatawag. Isang manlalaro na consistent na tatama from the outside. At pag nangyari po yan para sa Pilipinas, mas bubukan na yan yung depensa ng Malaysia dun sa loob.
No problem with his first free throw, Cliff Hodge.
Played his best game against Thailand, wherein he top scored with 15 points. Itong si Cliff Hodge, close to 11 points a game. Plays for the NLEX Road Warriors sa ating D-League. An above-the-rim player, an energy player. Loves the open court. At tignan natin mamaya kung sa pagpasok ni Chris Ellis ay makatulong siya sa pagbomba from the outside.
Sa panginaabangan natin, the 23-year-old Cliff Hodge makes both free throws, 19 all. We are deadlocked and we are approaching 1 minute dito po sa first quarter. And Malaysia, itong first quarter, magandang nilalaro.
Yes.
Sumasabay sa Team Pilipinas, Coach Ronnie.
Yes, at kailangan dito mas tumibay yung ating on-the-ball pressure kasamang Jolly. Right now, the jump shooters are going to their spots, able to take shots that are not contested. And as a result, sila hindi lamang naghabol dito, kundi nakakuha pa ng kalamangan kanina.
Marcelo is in the ball game. Alam naman po nating San Beda player, Cliff Hodge, ang kanyang atake. Nice shot.
Ang tiyagaan talaga ang laban dito. Pag kinagat mo yung pain nila, natira ka ng tira sa labas, baka matakbuhan nila tayo. But this time, Clifford Hodge taking it strong to the basket. And he will not be denied. Ito naman si Yong Jing Kwan.
Ang ganda ng kanyang bangga doon for konting separation. Baka
Binarag
baka a little bit harder pa. Pwede ng offensive foul.
Yun ang hinihingi rito ng
yun ang
coach ng
hinihingi
Malaysia. Binalikat pero hindi napituan. Kundi basket yun para sa Pilipinas.
Correct. Ayun. 21 to 19. 2 points po lamang ng Pilipinas. 28 seconds. First quarter po. Atake po ng Malaysia. Sa may kanan po ang bola.
So napilitan siyang penetrate Jolly instead of taking an outside shot. Pero isa yung kanyang major spread. Tapos kick out sa opposite corner. Mabilis na close out naman ang ating pinakawalan.
Sinag Pilipinas. R.R. Garcia po may tangan. Set ng pick. Si Cliff Hodge. R.R. Garcia.
The best. When you talk about using the court,
the SEA Games on active will be right, Paul. Dito po, first quarter pa lamang po tayo. Philippines started strong.
11-2.
Oo, at nakahabol dito po ang Malaysia.
Kanina, kumuha pa ng 2 puntos ng kalamangan yan. But this is the least productive quarter na nakita natin para sa Pilipinas in the 10 quarters that we have played here in the Southeast Asian Games. At ang ating kadalasan na kalamangan na tangan, ang average natin dyan is nearly 20 plus points. I mean 20 plus ang ating kalamangan. We were on top by 15 against Cambodia. At the end of the first, up by 28 against Vietnam, up by 16 against Thailand. But here against Malaysia, nakadikit sa atin dito. Ang ating kapitbahay dito sa Southeast Asia, down by only 4.
Dapat ipakita natin talaga, Coach Ronnie, tayo naman ang may-ari naman talaga nito.
Kailangan talaga. Bago natin magawa yan, kailangan mabantayan natin. Itong si Guganas Waran Batunglay. The top scored for Malaysia in the first quarter. Katulad nitong si Bansin Oy, kumpiyansado laban sa mga defenders na iminamatch up ng Sinag sa kanila. A lefty, nearing 30. Veteranong manlalaro. Fouled in the 3-point line. Oo.
Guganeswaran. Parang kala natin tatlong free throw.
Was scoreless in that game against Myanmar. Isang laro na nanalo sila 100-72. Pero ngayon, naging kamador para dito sa Malaysia.
R.R. Garcia, Philippines has a 2-point lead, 23-21. R.R. Chris Chu po. Kicking po ang itatawag dyan sa isang Malaysian player, si Lee Wei Chi.
Hindi natin sila natatakbuhan, no? Probably pag makamamaya, magkaroon tayo ng mga pagkakataon na makarating sa open court, mas tataas ang energy level natin. Pero importante dito kasamang Jolly, yung fire and intensity, kailangan umangat ang antas pagdating sa depensa.
Cliff Hodge,
Nalikat
nasa may
na naman.
baseline. Kanyang favorite move, ang pinapasok yung balikat dun sa isa dibdib. And it seems that the referees are not calling that charging naman yan. Bang! Makikita natin na binalik.
Kung kanina,
Suwerte, lucky break na lang siya doon. Parang naipit na siya
kung
doon.
kanina kasamang Jolly, sabi ko binarag. Ngayon naman inararo. Itong si Clifford Hodge, yung kanyang matchup na si Lee Wei Chi.
Pero pag ganun, Coach, just the right amount na yung tulak ng balikat for separation, hindi na naman niya natatawag. Yung tama lang.
Depende sa interpretation. Nasa FIBA tayo. So, iba rin to sa mga tawag dito sa ating bakuran at iba rin naman pagdating sa D-League at sa PBA. Diba? So, you have to adjust. You have to adapt.
Then again, yun ulit na sa defensive player, yung magaling mag-flop nga pag nakaramdam ng ganun nga ng balikat sa dibdib. Pagka yung mag-style na flop, di ba? May magaling kumuha nun.
At ito, balik na si Greg Slaughter sa loob to put in more height para sa Pilipinas.
Ang layo ng 3-pointer na pinukol ng Malaysia that time. Here comes RR and Sinag Pilipinas. Sa may kanan po, that is Chris Chu. Binagsak Cliff Hodge.
Yung sinasabi natin kasama Jolly, we have to make the defensive stops. We're not shooting well sa ating half-court looks. The points of attack have been contained. And that's why when we get the defensive stop, we have to push the pace and score on layups para umangat. Umangat yung energy, bumilis yung laro. Because itong Malaysia, pinapatay yung tempo ng laro. Iniinip itong mga manlalaro ng Pilipinas.
Oo. Gusto nang, alam mo naman natin, run and gun talaga ang gusto niya.
Hindi ka naman mag-average ng 112 kung hindi ka tumatakbo. Lalong-lalo na, hindi naman tayo mabigat bumomba from the 3. We only average, I think, 14 attempts from the 3-point area. So we really take our offense inside.
Pero yan naman, di ba, Coach, yan naman talaga ang, di ba, ngayon basketball na the level in the Philippines, medyo mataas na. If you're gonna think of it, yan talaga, that's how you get the easy baskets, is by doing this.
Kombinasyon kasi yan, Jolly. Diba? Kung hindi ka makakasta, paano kang tatakbo? At pag itong si Clifford Hodge ay nakatakbo sa lakas ng balikat, sa ganda finish, ay talagang titining ang opensa natin. And this is already a 5-0 run designed by Clifford Hodge. Oy.
Awag na tira ng isang Malaysian player hitting back iron. Tumaas at pumasok po. May halong swerte.
At ito, jump shots ang pinag-usapan. Bansin Oy, tumatambal dito kay Batumalay para pahirapan ng perimeter defense ng Pilipinas.
Chris Chu, his familiar 3-point territory but not that time. Tangan niya ngayon ng bola. Chu kay Slaughter at low post. Umaatras. P-hit, baseline, jump shot. Good.
We really need to establish our inside offense. And when you talk about inside offense, it means Greg Slaughter has to get his touches. Yung mga previous na laro, nakita natin offense has really flow through his hands. He needs his touches,
Yes.
to draw the defense, and probably open up doon sa loob. But he has to get his points. You have to guard him.
At hindi naman napahiya nung pinasa sa kanya at pinakita talagang he has touched from this 8-10 feet. Coach Ronnie,
Yes.
okay na rin ang kanyang perimeter shooting. Pinakita niya po doon. Ang atake po ng Malaysia. Pasok. Ang tira po ni Kupusami.
Silan Kupusami.
Yan.
Ito yung sinasabi natin kasamang Jolly. Pag nepo-penetrate at tumulong ka, kailangan masipag kang rotate or mag-close out doon sa mga kick-out passes dahil talagang
Yes.
they play outside the three-point line. Yung Thailand was an inside team. This squad is totally different. A jump shooting team.
Si Hodge, humihiyaw yung mga tao sa gym pag ume-ere. Pero hindi lang pumasok that time. Ako, matatawagan ng foul. May final na jump shooter doon.
Ayan, itong si Kupusami tried to go for 5 straight points. A transition jumper and he will go to the line. We are a step late dito sa ating depensa dito sa first half. At I'm sure that Coach Norman Black is paying close attention dito sa maraming jump shots na binibigay natin sa mga kamador ng Malaysia.
Yun po si Chris Ellis yung natawagan po ng foul dyan. At well, as we always say, me and Coach Ronnie, it's never good to foul a jump shooter. Kupusami, age 33. Pwede pa?
Pwede pa kasi outside shooter naman. Diba?
Relax lang.
Does not rely much on speed but instead on accuracy.
Uy! Ganda naman ang tinira ni Ray Ray nun. Pero that is strong hand. Ang pakaliwan tira niya, nakakuha siya ng contact doon. Merong foul. He will go to the line for 2 free throws.
Kasamang Jolly, itong Pilipinas averages 26 free throws a game. Dahilan yan sa ating masipag na penetration maski merong mga last line defenders ng kalaban. But here in the first half, kukunti pa lamang ang ating mga atake sa loob. We average close to 78% from the free throw line. That is only an 18-year-old national player.
Gusto kong basahin yung mga kung anong nasa balikat.
The most recent UAAP MVP.
Oo.
2010, si Ryan Roos Garcia. At ang finals MVP naman, si Nico Salva, no? Hindi ako nagkakamali.
Oo, yata.
Dave Marcelo naman para sa NCAA.
Yes. 5 points lamang po ang lamang ng Sinag Pilipinas. 31-26, 6 minutes 36 na natitira sa ating second quarter.
Good defense by
Yes.
Raider Parks. Yan yung hinahanap natin na intensity sa depensa. You have to be accountable for your defensive coverages. Bantayan mo muna yung tao mo bago ka umasa sa last line defense.
Correct. Left-handed shot by Malaysia. Here comes Chris Chu. Sorry, that's
Simon
Montfort. Sorry. This is Nico Salva. Kick out.
Maganda ang transition defense ng Malaysia. No? Mabilis mo baba. Alam nila na pagdating sa open court, magagaling mga Pilipino.
Salva, saliwa. Ang layup pero pasok pa rin.
Oo, wrong footing. A master of those beginning moves na tinatawag.
Sino yan? Alam ko na, sino. Yung mga maling pass niya, pamatay niya, Papa Rods.
Importante, lamang ang Pilipinas. 7-point lead for Team Pilipinas. Na-duplicate natin yung ating isa sa pinakamalaking kalamangan.
Big three-pointer by
Oo.
Yung Jing Kwan.
Hindi natin kahapon, Jolly, 54 three-point attempts ang pinukol nila. At ito ngayon, alam na
Dami.
natin ang dahilan kung bakit. Continuing to stay close dito sa kupunan ng Sinag.
Salva, he loves that shot pero wala po that time. Here comes Team Malaysia.
Nakakasabay sila rito, no? At nadidepensa nila tayo. Both teams only scoring 10 points dito sa second quarter.
Ang atake po ng Malaysian player lost his footing. Ayan na nga po. Wong. At meron po tayong turnover dahil traveling po yan. We have some substitutions.
Naghahanap pa rin ng magandang kombinasyon si Coach Norman Black para dito sa Team Pilipinas. We were ahead 11-2 in the first 2 minutes and 25 of the first quarter. At suddenly, na-jeta tayo nitong kupunan ng Malaysia.
Oo.
And even here in the second quarter, 10 puntos lamang para sa Pilipinas, 10 din para dito sa Malaysia. Tayo sa loob, sila naman sa
Correct.
labas ang mga puntos.
Ray Parks po nagdadala ng bola para sa Sinag Pilipinas. This is Nico Salva to the big guy. I don't know about that pass na Slaughter. So nagkaroon po tayo ng turnover dito. The 4-point lead ng Sinag Pilipinas. Kilik out ang bola. Meron po tayong contact from Ray Parks and he says, what? Kasi parang masyadong manipis ang tawag ng mga referees that time.
Kaya ang hirap bumantay sa mga may shooting sa labas eh. Tapos may quickness na umatake sa labas. Ito, kung close out ka na naman. Aatake, kick out na naman sa labas. Kung close out ka na naman.
Dun. Parang, ewan ko lang ha.
Kampihan natin ang ating mga Pinoy athletes.
Ay, naku po. Ito po, bola po. Karambola po yan ng isang blue shirt at isang white shirt.
Yan si Batumalay at matatawagan ng foul dito. Itong si
Eman
Monfort
Monfort.
nagtatangka na maging spark dito sa depensa para sa Sinag. Subalit tayo ay over the limit. At magbibigay na naman ng free throws para dito sa 33-year-old na si Gunes Waran Batumalay. Lefty was a very nice touch from the three. 29.
Na siyang, yes.
Sino ang 33?
Kapatid niya yata. Hindi, si
Kanina
Kupusami.
33 yung lumabas.
Kupusami yata. Okay.
O averaging yan.
Sure ball ang mga free throws. Nitong si Batumalay makes
Dead shot,
both. Oo. At yan, narrows the gap na naman. 2 points lamang ang lamang ng Team Philippines dito.
This is a good test for our national squad. This is probably the closest first half that we have played in the last 4 games.
In and out.
Shooting well, yes. Sabi natin kanina, close to 60% ang ating 2-point percentage. Pero hindi nga tayo makakayod masyado dun sa loob.
The left-handed stroke of Batumalay is off. Salva po ang kumulekta. This is Eman Monfort. Atake po, nakawala. Walang layup. Slaughter's there for the kick.
Good idea by Eman Monfort. At kung napilitang mag-help out yung last line defender, nandito na itong si Greg Slaughter for that weak side putback.
Ang laki niya compared to the other Malaysian players.
Laki talaga niya pag nakakasabay kong maglakad.
Laki talaga.
Sasakit ang leeg mo sa laki.
May 7 ba?
Meron. Mahigit siya. Running the break. Pero isang offensive foul na itatawag sa Pilipinas.
And the good thing about
hindi ako pumito.
The good thing about Slaughter, tumatakbo, Coach Ronnie. Foul ba yun? Okay.
Napito na at possession ay babalik dito sa kupunan ng Malaysia. I'm out muna dito si Coach Norman Black kasamang Jolly at hindi pa rin natin masolusyonan ang pinapakitang tibay ng Malaysia.
Ayan po, SEA Games on active. Magbabalik po.
Stay away! Pupuritin ko tong bill ko! Pupuritin ko to!
Sir, your demands.
Lower rates! Lalo na calls to all networks.
We are back with our coverage of the 26th Southeast Asian Games on active po. This is Sinag Pilipinas going up against Malaysia. Si Jolly Escobar po ito. Kasama si Coach Ronnie Magsanok as we see the nice tip-in galing po kay Greg Slaughter.
Kaya kailangan talaga patuloy tayong umatake sa basket. Pero itong Malaysia nagpapakita ng magandang quickness sa depensa. Able to slide laterally well against the penetrators ng kupunan ng Pilipinas.
4-point lead po ng Pilipinas over Malaysia, 35-31. Lumiit po ang lamang after that jump shot by Eugene Kwan.
Yes, yung pick and roll defense kadalasan, ini-ensayo mo yan against the rollers. Pero pag flarers, mga shooters, ang hirap bantayan. Rotate ka ba? Sino bang uunahin mong bantayan dyan? Man with the basketball o yung nagseset ng screen?
Ang sinasabi ni Coach Ronnie, screen yung isa nag-roll at meron nag-screen at nag-flare, getting ready for a jump shot. Kaya na mga kailangan nating habulin, mag-close out, lalo na sa mga deadly jump shooters, no?
And we needed that basket, the 3-point basket na binigay nito si Garbo Lanete. And again, nahihirapan si Greg Slaughter mag-close out dito sa kanyang bantay na si Eugene Kwan, who always flares away from the basket but has a very decent jumper.
Yun ang mahirap sa international competition. Di mo kilala yung mga kalaban mo kung anong gagawin.
Saka iba yung tempo nila eh. Minsan kontra-tempo talaga sila kumilos. Tapos Malaysia pang tumatakbo. Nakapuntos itong si Chuan Chin Wei in transition. At ito isa na lamang abante ng Pilipinas.
2 minutes and 20 ang lalabi po sa first half. 38-37, 1-point lead lamang. Naku, napunta pa po sa Malaysia ang bola. Tumatakbo po sila pakaliwang layup. Wala po yun, pero may foul.
Well, dito sa second quarter, kasamang Jolly, 18 puntos nang naibuhos ng Malaysia. Samantalang ang Pilipinas only with 15 points. And so far, Malaysia able to defend us, but the Philippine squad having a hard time containing the shooters. Itong koponan ng Malaysia who have really done their scouting really well against a team that has an average winning margin of over 50 points, which is our national squad.
This is Chuan Shin Wee. With his free throws. Ayan po, age 27. Second free throw of Wee.
At ngayon lang ako makakita ng isang half in the last 4 games na ang koponan na kalaban natin ay nakadikit. Sabi nga natin, isang magandang pagsubok ito on how this young national team ng Pilipinas will be able to react dito sa magandang balakid at pagsubok na ibinato ng Malaysia.
Under 2 minutes na
Nice
po tayo
move.
dito. Nice left-handed layup po galing kay Chris Chu. At napunta na po ang lamang sa atin ulit. 1-point lead, 1 minute 46 ang natitira po sa ating ball game. Sorry, sa ating first half. At bola po nasa Malaysia po. 40-39. Hindi ko naman gustong tapusin to. Coach Ronnie, ano to?
Kailangan
Exciting to.
tapusin natin dito yung ganda ng laro ng Malaysia. That was a good defensive stop. At ito, may chance na tayong tumakbo. Laban dito sa Malaysia.
Nico Salva, ayun, pumasok na rin ang kanyang tira. He has been looking for his basket. A couple of jump shots, hindi po pumasok earlier. Mga in and out lang ang tira, pero talagang alam nating scorer din po yan. Nico Salva. Meron po tayong timeout dito. 2011 SEA Games on active. We'll be back. This is the men's basketball po. 2011 SEA Games only on active. Si Jolly Escobar po ito with Coach Ronnie Magsanok. At hindi po nakakalayo ang Sinag Pilipinas
Oo.
over Team Malaysia.
Oo, nung kalaban ng Thailand, lamang tayo 54-34 ng first half. Kalaban ng Vietnam, 59-23. Kalaban ng Cambodia, 51-39. So ito na ang magiging pinakamalapit na talaan pag tawid ng first half. Laban dito sa koponan ng Malaysia, hindi kalakihan pero mahuhusay yung mga kamay.
So 3 points lamang po ang lamang ng Team Philippines. 1 minute and 7 remaining. A lucky break para sa Pilipinas. A wide open look from Lee Wee Chi.
Natrap si Nico Salvaron. Itong veterano na si Guganas Waran ay nakapulot ng isang bola rito at magandang reverse.
Sinuwerte na nga tayo dun sa miss nung big man.
Subuan na no? And nag-adjust dito si Coach Norman Black sa depensa. At nagpalit siya ng mga bigs, yung mga smaller na mas maliliit na mga bigs upang makasabay sa mga shooters na 4 and 5 nitong koponan ng Malaysia who seems to have put in itong opensa nila, putting a lot of ball screen and flaring out for that outside shot.
21 seconds po natitira sa ating second quarter. Malaysia naghahanap po ng basket. 1 point lamang ang lamang ng Pilipinas. Bola nandito po kay Eman Monfort sa kaliwa, sa kanan kay Nico Salva, malakas. R.R. Garcia finishing that play. 3 seconds remaining. Ayan po, dyan po nagtatapos ang first half ng ating men's basketball at di po masyadong makakontrol ang Sinag Pilipinas po dito. Pagdating po natin, we'll show you some numbers at yung second half na po natin pagbalik ng 2011 SEA Games on at
54 to Vietnam, 59 to Cambodia, but Malaysia already scoring 41. Tingnan natin kung paano mapapatining ng Pilipinas ang ating depensa upang mapahirapan itong mga shooters. At sa kabilang parte naman, mas gumanda ang ating execution pagdating sa ating opensa.
I stand corrected. I said lamang ang Malaysia, but the Philippines with a 3-point lead po dito, 9 minutes and 39. Kakaumpisa lang po ng ating third quarter. Sa loob ang entry pass.
Yes.
Slaughter, that's good.
Once again, coming off a defensive stop. At itong si Greg Slaughter running down there to seal himself inside. Ayan, makita mo rito, nag-close out sila kay Kiefer Ravena. Magandang entry pass ni Kiefer. First 2 points of the third quarter para dito sa 23-year-old na dating manlalaro ng ni Coach Elmer Cabahog
Ayan.
sa Cebu, ano?
Cebu,
Bago
oo.
tumawid sa Ateneo Blue Eagles.
The Lancers, the left-handed stroke.
UV, no?
Oh, UV
Visayas.
Lancers.
Pero ito, hindi po ito taga Cebu. Taga Malaysia, pero ang bigat ng kamay. Guges na waran, batumlay. Nakakatamlay.
2 points na lamang po ang lamang ng Sinag Pilipinas. Eman Monfort po. Ayan po, lumaki ang lamang ng Philippines.
Eman Monfort. Nagtatangka na maging spark plug para dito sa
Ayan.
Pilipinas. Naghahanap ng isang magandang simula dito sa third quarter upang mapatid na itong magandang nilalaro ng Malaysia. Good closeout.
Oo, ito na po. Monfort, umatake. Ito po, Ray Parks. Binagsak ang bola kay Nico Salva. Hindi niya na-shoot ang kanyang layup. Sayang po yun, point blank. At dito po, atake naman po ng Malaysia. Nawala po ng bahagya. They get it back. Kiefer Ravena po ang bumabantay. Ray Parks on the defensive side. Ang atake ng Malaysia. Maganda po yun.
These young nationals from Malaysia are just playing their best. Yoseng or si John Nang.
John Nang.
Once again scoring against itong si Bobby Ray Parks. Yung one-on-one defense natin talaga kailangan mas tumibay.
Nice. Very nice extra pass from Eman Monfort to a wide open Kiefer Ravena who buries that 3-point.
Kung nakita nila kanina, tumama na si Eman Monfort. So pag-close out nila sa kanya, extra pass to the shooter in the corner. 6 out of the 8 points ng Pilipinas dito sa third quarter galing sa dalawang 3-point baskets.
Anim po ang kalamangan ng Sinag Pilipinas. Greg Slaughter nagbabantay po dyan sa baseline para siyang pulis. Ito po, Salva with the rebound.
Oh.
Naku po, nakakuha ng steal. Sloppy play galing po sa Sinag Pilipinas.
At muling tumama na naman sa labas itong si Gugunes Waran, Batumalay.
That left-handed stroke,
Bigat.
Coach Ronnie, ano? Medyo sweet, maganda rin tignan eh. Monfort, Slaughter wants the ball. Sinungal-ngal po ang defensive player niya. Hawak sa league eh. Ito po, Slaughter. Ganda naman ang jump po.
The Philippine squad shooting much better dito sa third quarter. But let's see how we will be able to up our defensive intensity and take away those jumpers mula dito kila Batumalay and the rest of the Malaysians. Oh, nice backdoor cut.
Ang ganda nung play, oh. And
Chuan Chinwe.
nice pass, oh. Galing po sa may taas na area, ipapasok sa may baseline.
Nakita niya, nag-overplay itong si Kiefer
Oo.
Ravena. He read the defense at magandang rear cut. Malaysia patuloy ang kapit dito, parang tuko.
Nico Salva, sabi, teka lang. Jump shot muna dito. 6 minutes. 23, natitira po sa ating third quarter. Atake ng Malaysia, wala po yan. Ang last touch, puti po, sabi ng referee. So ang bola mananatili po sa blue shirts. That is Team Malaysia. Maglalabas po ng bola dyan si Oy Bansin Oy.
Nakita mo kung gaano kahirap bantayan ng mga kupunan na maraming outside shooters.
Oo.
Napakalaking pagsubok yan. Talagang magkakaalaman kung mabilis na may kamay. Kailangan talaga trabahuhin mo, habulin mo, contest mo yung mga tira at bantayan mo ng maayos.
Correct. Ang atake po, nawala ng footing na sandali pero able to recover.
Itong si Chin Hong Wong,
Yan.
bagong pasok. Wala nang pupuntahan, subalit nakahanap pa ng paraan. Tatlo
Oo.
pa rin ang abante ng Pilipinas. Ako nagugulat ako sa nilalaro ng Malaysia talaga.
Oo, mataas. Ito po, Malaysia traveling,
Oh.
hindi tinawag mga kaibigan. 56 to 53, 3-point lead ng Sinag Pilipinas. Meron pong screen, jump shot.
Itong si Bansin Oy.
Dami nang sinushoot.
Tama yan. Kanina, nung first quarter, lamang tayo 11-2. 7 minutes and 35. But suddenly, naiba na yung tema ng laro.
Oo.
Malaysia kapit tuko dito sa Sinag team. Isa na lamang ang ating kalamangan laban sa Malaysia.
Elbow jump shot, Greg Slaughter. He will miss. Ito naman po, Batumalay. May hawak ng bola. Kick out po. 3-point shot. That is off. Here comes Kiefer. Ito po kay Eman Monfort to Ray Parks. Hindi na buo ang kanilang in the sky alley-oop play.
And the only time we were defeated here in the Southeast Asian Games was in the year 1989. 1989 nung hindi tayo makakuha ng ginto dito sa Southeast Asian Games. Naghahanap na tayo ng pang-15 gintong medalya sa ating kampanya sa Southeast Asian Games mula pa noong 1977. At ang tumalo sa atin noong 1989, wala mo, Jolly, Malaysia. Kaya ayaw natin na madisgrasya tayo dito sa semifinal battle. Manalo rito, tawid sa finals, lalaban sa Thailand or Indonesia.
Ayan po. After those that information from Coach Ronnie, hindi tayo pwedeng parelax over Malaysia. This is just a 1-point lead at nagyayabang tayo nung una. Sinasabi natin, tayo nagmemay-ari ng ligang ito.
Yun naman ang totoo.
Oo, pero we have to show sa mga kilos natin na gano'n. At ito lang, well, nice shot galing kay Greg Slaughter, pero 3 lamang ang lamang natin dito, 58-55.
And you also have to understand that a lot of our national players representing the country in the Southeast Asian Games, mga bagito sa international level of play. At kanina nakita ko yung edad ng mga kalaban, may 33, may 29. Pero hindi excuse yan. Alam ni Coach Norman Black yan, isang veteranong hinete sa international competition. At alam niya na walang dahilan na pwede silang ibigay. At alam niya na kailangan nilang kayurin at tapatan itong husay ng Malaysia. Greg Slaughter working extremely hard on both sides of the floor. Tayod sa opensa, trabaho sa depensa. Subalit ang Malaysia, truly Asia.
Ayan. Nahuli mo pa yon, Coach Ronnie, medyo manipis ang itinawag dito kay Greg Slaughter. Ganun pa man, titira po ng 2 free throws.
Lahat magandang nilalaro no? This is big man Lee Wei-chi. Itong si Chuan Chinwi, mahusay nilalaro. Ban Sinoy, maganda nilalaro. Pero itong si Gugenaswaran Batumalay talaga ang bumobomba ng maraming puntos para dito sa Malaysia. Malaking bagay kung paano sila nakakadikit laban dito sa mahusay at matining na kupunan ni Coach Norman Black, ang Sinag, Pilipinas.
Ang kanyang left-handed jump shot, itong si Batumalay, no? Kaya deadly rin itong Malaysian team, 58-56, 3 minutes and 37 in the third quarter. This is Chris Chu. Drops the ball to Slaughter.
Nag-reset.
What is going on? Buti lucky break para sa Pilipinas. We were able to make that basket. Cliff Hodge.
Shot clock winding down. Lucky break para sa Team Pilipinas. 4 muli ang abante.
Parang piso-piso na tira.
It went in.
Oo.
We have to continue to contest and take away those looks.
Hanip yung tira.
Grabe ang percentage dito sa labas ng Team Malaysia. They shot 54 times from the 3-point area yesterday against Myanmar.
Hodge to Slaughter. Nice shot. Slaughter is looking for a foul and widens that lead to 4. 62 to 58. 2 minutes and 42 sa ating third quarter. Slaughter putting the ball on the floor. Forward pass, Chris Chu. Beautiful play. Not able to finish. Keeper.
Garbo Lanete.
Able to finish.
Yes, turning garbage into gold. At naghahanap tayo ng isang major run. Hindi lang mini blast. Isang magandang run upang makawala o makaposte ng 2-digit lead na hindi pa natin nagagawa laban dito sa Malaysia.
Jump shot on the way. Back iron. Rebound. This is RR. Ang atake po ni Chris Chu. Chris Chu po may tangan para sa Sinag, Pilipinas. Hodge, a tough shot.
Biggest lead of the quarter for Team Pilipinas. Continuing to attack the interior defense. Itong kupunan ng Malaysia, pero sa akin naniniwala ako kasamang Jolly. Our success today against Malaysia will be predicated on the way we defend the outside shooter, especially in the last quarter. Delikado pag nakadikit hanggang sa dulo.
Ayan po. Tama yun. Coach Ronnie closing out. Very important. At identifying yung shooters po ng Malaysia na ang dami na rin po.
Daming tumatama. Hindi mo na alam kung sinong babantayan mo. Ito, big man bringing the ball down.
I don't know about that. Baka mawala ang bola. Ayan na nga po. Malapit na. Sige, dribble mo pa yan. Sige pa. Baseline attack. Wala po yan.
Good
Good
stop.
rebound. Oo, Cliff Hodge. This is Chris Chu to keeper.
Biggest in the game for Team Pilipinas.
Sorry, that's R.R. Garcia.
Yes, ito yung decisive run na hinahanap natin. Para dito sa kupunan ni Coach Norman Black. 10 puntos na kalamangan. 68-58.
Ito po, nasa low post. Malaysia, andyan po ang bola. Pump fake. So palpal siya ni
Hodge.
Cliff
Oo.
Hodge.
Hindi siya ang pinakamalaking manlalaro natin, pero definitely big fighting heart ang pinapakita rito ni Hodge. Kinayod siya sa loob nitong si Shi Fai Loy. Shi Fai Lo.
Iba rin talaga mga tawagan sa international, Coach
Jolly,
Ronnie,
sanay
no?
ka naman maglaro
Oo.
dyan. At alam mo na yung interpretation ng rules sa international level ay iba. Wala kang magagawa kundi mag-adjust. Huwag umangal at baka matusok ka pa ng isang technical foul. Kaya natin 2 free throws plus ball possession yan. Ang importante rito, at least nakakakuha tayo ng rhythm natin. Nakakatakbo tayo, nakakalamang tayo ng mas malaki, at mas nakakahinga tayo. Ang hirap pag nakadikit yung kalaban mo. Yung room for mistakes, napakaliit.
Yes.
Tataas yung pressure dahil highly favored ang national team natin dito. Hindi lamang laban sa Malaysia, kundi laban sa lahat ng ating mga katapat.
8-point lead po ng Pilipinas, 68-60. We are under a minute. Nice play. Galing sa Sinag Pilipinas para kay Jake Pascual.
Yes, and this combination has been one of the most effective unit para dito kay Coach Norman Black. Digging deep sa kanyang rotation. 10-point advantage, Sinag Pilipinas.
So palpal ang tira po ni Vic King Lau. Ito po si R.R. Garcia. May tangan po ng bola para sa Sinag Pilipinas. R.R. Hodge will set a screen. Dadaanan siya ni R.R. Roll. Hodge po na naman ang nakapulot ng bola. Hodge is all over the floor.
That's a big shot coming from R.R. Garcia. Kanina, isa na lamang yung ating kalamangan. They will finish the quarter with a 13-point lead laban dito sa kapituko ng kupunan ng Malaysia.
Kapituko, tutok lang po. 2011 SEA Games, babalik po on active.
2 linggo lang nakapag-ensayo ang Smart Sinag basketball team na kumpleto ang mga manlalaro. Kaya bumawi naman ang mga ito sa unang practice nila dito sa Jakarta. Sabak agad sila sa takbuhan, drills, at scrimmages.
We really have not had the team together complete for a very long time, just 2 weeks actually, but you know, we've been practicing on and off since February, and a lot of the guys who are still here really know the system.
Napaka-short ng time, pero for the time given to us naman, we made up for it. Ganda ng gel namin, chemistry ng team. We're just really excited to get everything started. Can't wait.
Pagkalapag kagabi sa airport, balak sana ng koponan na mag-ensayo agad. Ang kaso, nagkaroon ng maliit na aksidente ang kanilang bus.
The bus ran into an underpass or something. He was too tall for the underpass. Unbelievable, but it happened.
14 na ang gold medals ng bansa pagdating sa basketball sa SEA Games. At mula 1989, hindi pa nawawala sa mga Pinoy ang corona. Pero alam ng koponan na hindi nila pwedeng baliwalain ang kompetisyon dito sa Jakarta. Halos lahat ng miyembro ng Smart Sinag ay galing sa UAAP at NCAA. Nadagdag sa kanila ang veteranong si Chris Chu at 2 PhilAm galing sa PBA Developmental League na sina Chris Ellis at Cliff Hodge.
Other teams here in the SEA Games, they really prepared for this for many years. I mean, this is the tournament that they prepare for. And so we cannot take them lightly.
Ang favorites para makuha ang gold dito sa SEA Games, pinag-aandaan pa rin ng maayos at matindi ng Smart Sinag ang tournament na ito. Mula Jakarta, Indonesia, Leah Cruz, News 5.
Welcome back to the 26th Southeast Asian Games on active, and on your screens is the Malaysian team. Coach Ronnie, kilala mo ba yung coach nun?
Parang very familiar yung kanyang muka, si Go Cheng Wat. At ang katapat niya ay ang Grand Slam coach at 4-time UAAP champion coach na si Coach Norman Black. At nagtatangka si Coach Norman Black na itawid ang kupunan ng Sinag Pilipinas sa finals. And if we get past Malaysia na siyang ating dinadalangin at naniniwalang kayang gawin, ang mga katapat natin ay ang kupunan na tinalo natin ng isang araw Thailand or ang kupunan ng Indonesia kung sakaling makatawid sila laban sa hamon ng Thailand. Ang Indonesia ang tinataya na pinakamalaking hamon o balakid ng Pilipinas sa tangka natin na 15th gold medal in the history of the Southeast Asian Games. Mula nung tayo sumali, ha? We started in 1977. At ito, 29-point explosion in the third quarter. And the last unit really were able to make the necessary stops and more importantly, score easy baskets. Most of them coming on the inside and aided by three-point baskets para dito sa Sinag, Pilipinas.
Correct. Kanina, nagkakaroon pa ng ilang mga lead changes ito. Pero now, Ronnie, medyo, I cannot say comfortable, pero we are ahead by about 11 or 13 points. So meron tayong konting cushion dito. We have to make a stop. This is the start of our fourth.
Kanina, Jolly, hindi ka makabuntong hininga eh. Dahil baka makuha nila yung kalamangan eh. Now we're playing much tougher defense. Even with a smaller unit. And this is definitely a quicker unit for Coach Norman.
Chris Chupo, ganda naman ng galaw.
And Coach Norman Black has gone to his veteran, the most veteran international campaigner leading the squad. He is the team captain for this Southeast Asian Games unit. At alam ko si Chris Choi maglalaro sa kanyang unang Southeast Asian Games.
Ayan.
At hindi siya nakasama dun sa 2007 roster. He was the last cut in that team. The team that last won the title for the Philippine squad was the 2007 team ni Coach Junel Baculi.
But after that play, hindi naman siyang mukhang parang bago lang dito sa mga international games. Nice and easy.
Bigat yung mga nakatapat niya sa FIBA Men's. Kasamang Jolly. Olympics na yung mga yun eh.
Sa SEA Games lang niya first time. Marcelo, ganda naman ng kanyang layup doon.
This is more like it para sa Team Pilipinas. And once again, you have to continue to emphasize it has been defense that has been the key to this breakaway by Team Pilipinas. Hindi ka makakapunta sa transition kung hindi ka makakastop. Kung hindi mo mababantayan yung mga shooters na kanina napakarami para dito sa Malaysia, truly Asia.
Nagkamali ako. Kasama niya pala sa San Beda yon, si Jake Pascual. Pero meron muna tayong timeout dito. SEA Games on active po. Magbabalik. 2011 Southeast Asian Games. Si Jolly Escobar po ito kasama si Coach Ronnie Magsanok. At ngayon lang po medyo nakahinga-hinga. At meron po maganda-gandang lead.
Mula pa nung laban ng Perlas ng Silangan na kupunan, yung RP Women's team natin na hindi nakalusik kanina, hindi pinalad. Laban sa kupunan ng Thailand. We lost that game in overtime. We were up by 3. Last 3 seconds left. But they were able to bury a 3-point basket. Pero dito, sinisigurado, tinitiyak ni Coach Norman Black na hindi tayo madidisgrasya in our quest to make it to the finals laban sa Thailand or Indonesia. Another defensive stop by the Philippine team.
Ayan po.
Yes.
Ang tira ni Lanete.
8-0 blast in the first minute and 2 seconds of the fourth quarter. And suddenly, yung kalamangan natin, lumaki na, lumobo na. 21 na ang tanga na kalamangan ng Sinag national team.
8 minutes and 46 na titira po sa ating
down
laro.
for Team Pilipinas.
At pumapalo pa
si Batumalay.
Batumalay, ang kanyang
Kita ko
left-handed
kanina
stroke.
kasamang Jolly, parang balikat. Ito si Garbo Lanete. Oo, he was trying to fight off a screen na ibinigay dito kay Batumalay. Guganes Waran Batumalay continues to shoot well for Malaysia.
Garbo is still down on the floor. Talagang he was shaken up that play. Inaantay po siyang tumayo dyan. Ayan na po. Garbo Lanete holding on to his shoulder. Oo.
Dito mo naman, getting a round of applause dito sa ating mga supporters. Dito, anong pangalan itong gym natin kasama Jolly?
Tama.
Oo, dito sa Jakarta.
Oo. At parang Pilipinas yan, Coach Johnny. Pagbaba ko sa airport, para ako nasa NAIA. Wow. Parehas Mas marami lang motor. Times 10.
Dami si Chris Chu, kasamang Jolly, hindi nagpapaulan ng maraming puntos but he has served as the facilitator, making the correct basketball plays. Very active in looking for his open teammates.
Ayan po, 8 minutes and 24. Natitira po sa ating ball game. Ray Parks. Matlakas po ang kanyang short stab. Ray ulit. Bumangga for separation. Marcelo with the rebound. Chris Chu. Long three-pointer. Not there. Ray Parks.
Another three-point play for the Philippine team. And suddenly, kanina, yung score 56-53. 5 minute and 15 mark of the third quarter. And since that time, the Philippines is totally a different team. We had to wait for about the halfway mark of the third quarter to figure things out. And eventually, kumpul-kumpol ang intensity ng unit ni Coach Norman Black na hinugot niya sa kanyang rotation. At yun ang naging malaking dahilan sa ating magandang pinapakita mula dun sa dulo ng third quarter. Pagtawid din dito sa bandang gitna ng fourth quarter.
Ayan po. And Ray Parks completing his free throws
Yes, nakabuelo na ng husto. At ito, umaalagwa na ang Team Pilipinas laban sa malaking balakid, no? Big hump na binato kanina ng Malaysia.
Yes.
They played so well. Probably.
Lumamang pa yan at one point, Coach
Dalawang
Ronnie.
beses. Isa sa first quarter, paging sa second quarter. Kung di ako nagkakamali, kasama Jolly, itong best game na nilaro ng Malaysia dito sa Southeast Asian Games.
Pero not able to sustain. Nakikita natin, ayan na po, 21 po ang lamang ng Sinag Pilipinas.
Pero kailangan mo rin yung mga ganitong klaseng laro.
Yes.
Para
makanti
matuto ka.
Oh.
Para matuto ka at maintindihan mo that not every game is an easy game. And definitely, itong Malaysia ay naging magandang pagsubok at hamon para sa ating batang national squad. We are ahead by 21.
Chris Chu
And again,
to Marcelo.
Dave Marcelo running the opposite wing. And Chris Chu once again making that correct decision to give that pass to an open teammate. 23 na, 23 na. Pinakamalaking abante ng Pilipinas.
Ito po, Malaysia po. Atake. Approaching the 7-minute mark po. Meron po tayong foul. Jake Pascual matatawagan po dyan.
3 puntos pa lamang para sa Malaysia dito sa fourth quarter. At dito kasamang Jolly, wala ng open jumpers, wala ng uncontested 3-point shots. Everybody's defending better. And every time we defend and make a defensive stop, takbo tayo at kumakarera tayo for transition baskets.
Malamang napagsisigawan na to mga to in regards to yung closing out. And nakakita dami nilang tira from the outside. Diba, Coach Ronnie? Kaya naman nakasabay.
Yun ang focal point kanina ng koponan ng Malaysia is maghanap, magtyaga sa setting screens, freeing up yung kanilang mga attackers. So para naman kay Coach Norman Black sigurado, reminding and emphasizing yung defensive game plan laban dito sa Malaysia. Hindi ka pwedeng lumihis. Kailangan talaga disiplinado. And it took us 3 quarters to figure things out, but eventually, we're comfortably ahead by 23 against Malaysia.
I love the ball movement, pero not able to finish. Jake Pascual is there for the putback.
Off the bench scoring, galing kay Jake Pascual, was scoreless just 2 days ago against Thailand. But itong si Jake Pascual playing quality minutes.
Ganda ng nilalaro ni Big Jake Pascual. Here comes Malaysia. Kanilang jumpers not there. That's a foul from behind. Na-foul dun si Jake Pascual.
Nakakatuwa kasamang Jolly na hindi yung mga usual big scorers ang pumamada ngayon. This is how deep Coach Norman's bench really is. This is the kind of talent that he has brought with him to Jakarta. Now, not relying on Kika Ravena, not really relying too much dito kila Barbara Parks and Greg Slaughter. Pero yung mga iba na nagbigay ng kanilang sariling ambag upang maitawid at may angat ang Pilipinas laban sa hamon ng Malaysia.
Ganda naman mga ball movement, Coach Ronnie.
Kung ano nila yung rhythm nila eh. Kanina hindi tayo makatakbo at pag pinag-usapan ng koponan ng Pilipinas, lagi yan. Kasi talagang by nature, mabibilis tayo.
Yes.
Ang gusto natin, up-tempo. Ayaw natin ang lakaran. At hindi tataas yung energy mo pag hindi ka nakatakbo. Makakatakbo ka lang kung makakastop ka at didepensa ka lang matindi.
Hindi lang tayo successful. Nakakita tayo ng magandang passing pero hindi tayo nakakuha ng basket doon. We will see a foul.
Laban kay Satya Salan Kupusami na tumama rin ng first half with his outside jumpers. Pero yung mga about 50% or 55% shooting clip dito ng Malaysia in the first half, sigurado na ibaba na natin yan ng ilang hakbang dito sa bandang dulo ng laro.
Parang salami yung narinig ko sa'yo.
Satya Silan
Kupusami. Sorry,
Gusto mo na namang magmerienda eh. Tapos ka na.
Okay. Kupusami completing his second free throw. Yan po, may slow move po. And this is Montfort. 88-65. Under 6 minutes sa ating ball game. And Eman Montfort po. And if you've just joined us, kanina po, dikit po yan. At lamang pa po ang Malaysia ng mga second quarter. At napakaganda po ng medyo ending ng third quarter and the start of the fourth quarter para po sa Sinag Pilipinas.
And the present score is not really indicative on how close this game was.
Yes.
Until the 5.5 mark of the third quarter. But eventually, the Philippine team was able to find ways and means to be able to just put themselves ahead itong koponan ng Malaysia.
And we have a timeout, 26 Southeast Asian Games on Active will be back. This is the 2011 Southeast Asian Games on Active. At Sinag, Pilipinas with a commanding lead.
Yes,
Coach
yes.
Ronnie.
For a while, it was touch and go. At medyo umangat ang anxiety level natin, no? Dahil hanggang third quarter, nakakapit.
Hindi kami
Nakakapit
natutuwa
pa. Ay,
nung
naku
umpisa.
naman, wag naman. Pero ito, lumabas na yung tunay na kulay ng Team Pilipinas. It took one decisive run late in the third, and it bridged, it crossed over to the fourth quarter. At ito, with beyond doubt na itong magiging outcome dito. At mukhang tatawid ang Pilipinas sa championship battle either against Thailand and or Indonesia na maghaharap mamaya po or tonight din upang harapin ang mananalo dito sa larong ito. 89-65. Nearing the halfway mark na tayo kasamang Jolly ng fourth quarter. Only the 7th point of the quarter para sa Malaysia.
Ayan po, this is a 22-point lead.
Yes.
Para po sa Pilipinas.
Natagalan lang pero ganun din.
Ang outcome, Ray Parks to Cliff Hodge.
Nice interior passing. Yes.
To Greg's daughter. Coach Ross, parang itong si Cliff Hodge, parang mga tabas din ng mga Lassiter tsaka ng mga
Mas malakas siya.
malaganon,
Kasi
ano?
4 to eh.
Tsaka ng Lutz, no? Malaganon, no?
Hindi siya natural 3. I think he's built for a power forward position. Pero kung pagtawid niya sa PBA, baka kailangan siya mag-convert ng 3. Alaping is a 4-3 instead of a 4-5. Parang si Ping, di ba? Parang si Mark Pingris, di ba? Pwede mag-4, pwede mag-3. Parang si Rico Meyer-Hafford na dati 5 sa Lasal. Ngayon, 3 ang nilalaro sa PBA.
Dahil di na rin kalakihan. At ito po,
pasok na naman itong si R.R. Garcia. You have to give it to Goh Cheng Wat and the rest of the Malaysia basketball national team. Malaysia national team dahil talagang pinagandaan nila at sinipagan nila. Ang tagal natin bago nahanapan ng solusyon pero this is a big lead para dito sa Pilipinas.
24 po yan pero nagtatangka ang Malaysia. Eman Monfort.
Only 6 points for Malaysia. 7 points for Malaysia in the quarter.
4 minutes and 34. I love this ball movement. This is Ellis. Wala po ang kanyang 3-pointer.
Tahimik si Ellis dito sa larong ito. Laban sa kupunan ng Thailand, nagpakawala ito ng maraming puntos. One of 6 players averaging twin digits para dito sa Pilipinas.
Ganyan din Coach Ronnie pag international talaga kasi most teams talaga parang all-star yan eh. So any player dyan on a given night can give you 10-15 points. Depende lang kung sino puputok on that day.
Tama yan. At itong mga pangalan at mga manlalaro nakikita nyo para sa ating mga kababayan, ito ang magsisilbi para sa national squad natin in the coming years.
Ayan, oo. Kita naman po natin. Bata. Saan po pinasa yun? Hindi pa nakasil ng mabuti si Greg Slaughter.
Ano mo, kasama sa learning curve yun. Education, learning to play with each other, and being patient with one another.
Yes.
Kasama yan, the ups and downs, the highs and the lows. Parang buhay mag-asawa yan. Magti-teammate kayo. Titiisin nyo isa't isa. At tatanggapin nyo ng buong puso yung isa't isa para matulungan ang inyong kapwa teammate.
21-point lead. Meron po tayong timeout. SEA Games will be back.
At it took a lot of effort and intensity on the defensive end. And eventually, yung team play came into place para dito sa ating kupunan. Chris Chu made a lot of plays. Eman Monfort did his share. Greg Slaughter was there. Hodge was also a tremendous contributor para dito sa kupunan ng Pilipinas. Of course, Lanete, Jake Pascual, mga ilang manlalaro na nagpakita ng husay sa bandang dulo ng third quarter. Dahilan kung bakit umangat yung ating kalamangan sa 13 puntos at 73-60. Ito 18-10 ang talaan dito sa fourth quarter para sa Team Pilipinas.
Just looking at Greg Slaughter, Coach Ronnie, batang-bata rin. Basta itong si Greg Slaughter, no? Only about 23, kung di ako nagkakamali, 22 or 23.
Naglaro yan para sa University of Visayas, para kay Coach Elmer Cabaog. Tapos tumawid siya para sa Ateneo Blue Eagles at natulungan niya si Coach Norman Black na makukuha ng isang titulo. Pang-apat na sunod na titulo na yan ng Ateneo sa UAAP, going for their fifth straight championship come the 2012 season.
Ellis po, may tangan ng bola para sa Sinag Pilipinas. difficulty.
Pero alam mo,
Yan.
kasamang Jolly,
Oh.
sigurado pinawisan din ang ating coaching staff ngayon
Oo.
laban sa Malaysia. At napalunukan ng ilang beses dahil talagang kumapit ng gusto.
Correct.
Itong Malaysia, hindi ganyan po ang talaan dyan. Kanina, 56-53 yan.
At third quarter na
Third
yun. Mga
quarter na
umpisa ng
yun.
third, di ba?
Oo.
Nakasabay yan. Oo,
Lumalamang-lamang
nakakapit.
pa yan. But Philippine national team was composed and still confident that they can get the job done. And this outcome is beyond doubt. Imminent win by Team Pilipinas and a chance to fight for the gold and look for our 15th championship dito sa Southeast Asian Games.
Pero no reason to relax, coach. All these other teams are just lurking around, are just watching, scouting, di ba? Looking
Of
for
course.
every weakness ng ating Sinag Pilipinas team. At yan na nga po, kailangan tuloy-tuloy ang pag-improve po ng Team Pilipinas. 93-70. This is a 23-point lead. 2 minutes and 17 remaining in our ball game. Left-handed shot by Malaysia. Natapik ang bola. Ball will stay with Sinag Philippines.
20-point quarter para dito sa kupunan ng Pilipinas. At patuloy na masipag ang depensa natin dito. Closing out on the shooters, not giving up easy baskets.
Nice play.
Again, extra pass.
Basketball, yes.
Oo, kanina binanggit natin ang average number of assists ng Pilipinas, 23 a game. Well, kanina hindi tayo maka-score ng marami dahil magandang depensa rito ng Malaysia, but everything has been crumbling for Malaysia's defense against the Sinag national team.
And this is suddenly a 25-point lead for Sinag Pilipinas. Nakita mo yung star kahapon, Coach Ronnie, nakasabit sa ring yung dalawa, si Hodge.
Nakita natin yon, di ba? Dumang itong si Hodge ba o si Ellis, tapos sumigunda isa, nag-top board. Top board, hindi sa ilalim ng board. Doon sa may bandang gitna. Apat na mga kamay. Di ba?
Parang wala lang yung ring.
Talk about highlight reel, no?
Yup. Ano naman po front page yun. Ito po si Kiefer. This is R.R. Garcia. Mga pasahan.
We have to be delighted with the way we were able to turn something that was so difficult to our nationals doon sa first 3 quarters. Ang hirap talaga nun. Hindi mo ma-figure out, but eventually just tsagain mo, ipapatuloy mo yung tiwala at paniniwala mo na kaya nito mga batang to figure things out for themselves. Of course, tinutulungan yan ni Coach Norman and the rest of the coaching staff. And then si Jamai Karin at ilang pang mga miyembro ng coaching staff ni si Gina Fable yun, ano?
Oo.
Ni Coach Norman Black.
Very nice to look at yung unselfish basketball, Coach Ronnie. No? Talagang hitting the open guy, high percentage shots, tulad ng mga nakikita natin, walang pilit, natira, di ba, Coach?
Yes, totoo yan.
Basketball.
And Coach Norman has always preached team basketball. Of course, for a team that has not been together for a long time, sometimes mahirap mong hanapin yung chemistry. Parang 12 magagaling na players na pagsasama-samahan mo. Tapos papalabanin mo sa isang hindi madaling pagsubok. But this is another decisive advantage by Team Pilipinas. Another 30-point bubble and hitting the century mark for the 4th straight game. 29 points dito sa 4th quarter. 10 puntos lamang para dito sa Malaysia.
Mahigit isang buwan ako. Ang lamang ng Sinag Pilipinas studio. Natagalan lang. Ang tagal. Nainip kami ni Coach Ronnie.
Medyo kinabahan din.
This is Ellis on the free throw line. No problem with his free throw.
Big 4th quarter. But you had to go back to the 3rd quarter kasamang Jolly. We needed a big run. Hindi lamang 4-0 run, kundi isang run na magpapaangat ng kalamangan to twin digits. And eventually, it signified better things para dito sa Pilipinas. 12th point of the quarter compared to the 30-point explosion of the Philippine team here in the 4th.
7 seconds to go in our ball game. That is a 31-point lead. Ayan po. Basta ang oras. Pero ayaw na magbasa.
29 ang panalo ng Pilipinas dito. And we will go to the finals and we will be facing off against Indonesia or Thailand. A team that we defeated already 2 days ago. Good recovery by our national squad.
There's still something going on here.
Yung last play kasi hinabol pa nila. Yan si Chun Ki-ong.
There was actually no more time
Oo.
on the clock at parang humabol
Hindi
pa to ng
pwede. Ang
hampas.
nakita ko rito is Pilipinas kay ganda. Dito sa bandang dulo. Kanina, Malaysia, truly Asia nangyayari. Pero eventually, Chris Chu and the rest of the nationals were able to pounce and impose the skill level that they needed. It started with intensity on defense and eventually it rolled down into something so positive. 29-point win by the Philippine team versus Malaysia.
Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating game. Sinag Pilipinas against Malaysia. This is Jolly Escobar along with Ronnie Magsanok saying please continue to watch the Southeast Asian Games on Active. Maraming salamat po.